dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am here today with another look. Yes, so at first when I was going to do this video, I started off with doing like this other look, and girl, I don't even know what happened, but it was a hot mess. So I wiped it off, then I accidentally poked myself in the eye. You know, I'm a klutz, so that's why my eye is red, so ignore that. But I'm not sure right now how I'm feeling this look yet. I think we need to see everything come together to see if this is something that we can rock with or not. So stay tuned and let's see how I achieve this right here. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It said you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Asia Kingdom and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time. Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies.
The things that we can do don't need to prove you know. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you feel me now? Can you handle it? Alright. So do you want it? Don't straight up on hold. I can't take it anymore. Straight up on me now. Trust me and you will see it. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. So don't put your love on hold. Can't feel me, I can't take it anymore. Don't put your love on me. Trust me and you will see. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you want, got what you need now.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without
I didn't do too bad. I pretty much got it looking similar. I don't think I forgot any stuff.
That's wrong. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever. That's wrong. Isn't it
Keep going into that eye, this eye over here, because I just really want them
I can get my head
to match.
how we used to be.
And then I'm going in with that dark green, kind of smoke it out, but we're gonna have to go back underneath anyways. So I don't think I like how close this thing is going, so I'm just gonna cut it off just a little bit. Just a little bit. We're gonna start with my foundation, and hopefully this comes together and I like it. So today, you already know, I'm almost out of this thing. I'm using the Dollhouse Look Universal Illuminating Primer. This thing, you guys literally need to give it a try. Like, it's a filter in a bottle, and it's not just a primer. You can use it as a moisturizer if you want to. It really does help your skin. You do see like a difference in the texture of your skin over time. So, you know, you're getting a primer, but you're getting so much out of this bottle. So, definitely think you should give it a try. Going in with my Lancôme foundation.
hesitate, just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. If we ever was lost before, now we finally found our way. And love is stronger than anything. We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold. Yeah.
I like this. Ooh. Oh. Okay, Dolly. Okay. It's not bad.
I've been sleeping through the long
Okay.
night. I've been shining in the sunlight.
This be looking like one of the
How I'm alright.
like the Instagram
There's a reason why I keep
makeup artists.
I feel high in the ceiling.
You know?
All because of you.
This look like it could do something.
So sweet, talking till we asleep,
Right.
asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love.
Ooh.
Cause you really get me,
Girl.
make me fall to my knees, my
You
knees.
got talent.
Every night
You
I
can
fall
do a
deep,
little something. How you do a little something, something? This not bad.
Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you.
This is not bad at all.
Be without you.
I'm really not mad at myself. This turned out actually good.
Wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading.
Then I can put
I
a
should catch
little
up
bit
on my
more.
eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep the thoughts straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall
This is
deep,
really not
fall
bad
deep, but love,
at all.
cause you really get me, make me fall to
You
my
know,
knees,
while I was doing this, I started and I was like, ugh, I don't know what I'm doing, but we about to figure it out. We about to figure this out, you know. But we did it, and I feel like money, y'all. I feel like I look like money. I'm loving this green. It's so different than what I typically do, but I feel like I pulled it off really, really well, and I'm really like so proud of myself and so excited, and I really love it. But tell me what you guys think. Give the video a thumbs up, comment below if you think there's any areas that I can use improvement. I feel like shmoney.